Dear viewers, I would like to make a small appeal over here. I respectfully request that you guys please subscribe to my channel. It appears that 99.8% of those who watch my videos do not subscribe. So only 0.2% is my subscription rate. Even though I check in last 28 days, my channel has attracted 4,300 visitors. Yet only 7 of them have subscribed. So I encourage you to motivate us to continue producing such a content, and I'm eager to create many more videos like that in the future. It's my humble request to you, please subscribe to my channel. Welcome to Techno Analyst. In previous video, we saw that which port is open or which port is ready to connect. So we did not see any closed port, or else if you are still confused to doing this kind of activity to type the command and check the port, so there is one third party utility application. With that application, so you can easily figure out which port is open or which port is closed. So we will run that utility, and this is the utility free port scanner. I will upload this utility in my Google Drive and mention this link in a description. You can download it, so don't worry about that. So I will just install this free port scanner. In this utility, you have to just mention the port name, sorry, port number. That's it, and you have to scan. It will show you the port is open or closed. First, I will check the IP address of my system. .52 .131. Now I want to check the port number for Apache Tomcat, which I configured 8080. So first of all, I will go and start the Apache. Okay, before we will start, we will check what status it is showing. Now it should show us a closed state. So let's see 8080 port number and click on scan. See, it is showing that 8080 port number is closed. So right now I will run Apache Tomcat, and now we will scan again. Now it should open in status. We should check here. See, it is open now. So if you are confused about checking any port number of any system, this is the most easiest way you can find out the port is open or the port is closed. So by default they mention some ports, so I will copy paste all over here, all the ports over here, and let's see the status of all of this top, you can say, TCP ports are this. So let's click on scan and check it out. See, 21, 22, 23 closed, 53 domain port number, it's open. This 135 port number is open. 8080 is open. 1433. This is for Microsoft SQL Server we will use. So that is also open. So all this port is open. So again, I will close this. I will just stop the Apache Tomcat service and let's check it out. Now here it should be closed. Let's scan again. See, 8080 is closed. So that's it from this video. And once again, I will share with you that link of this application is available in the description. You can download it from there. And that's it from this video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to Techno Analyst RD. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe to Techno Analyst.